Hello everyone. Today's topic is identifying fractions. Let's start with what fractions are. Fraction is a number representing a part of a whole. The important thing is each part have to be equal. For example, 3 upon 4. We read it as 3/4. What does 4 stands for? It means the number of equal parts into which whole is divided, that is 4 equal parts. And what does 3 stands for? It is the number of equal parts which have been taken out. 3 parts have been taken out. The number above the line is numerator, so the numerator is 3, and the number below the line, that is 4, 4 is the denominator. So the fraction is 3 upon 4. Shade the following figures with the indicated fractions. 2 upon 8. 2 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. Denominator indicates the number of equal parts into which whole is divided. The whole figure is divided into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The numerator, that is 2, indicates the number of equal parts which have to be shaded. So in this figure, only 2 parts have to be shaded. You can shade any of the 2 parts to indicate this fraction. So 2 parts have been shaded out of the total 8 parts. The next fraction is 2 upon 3. 2 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. Denominator indicates the total figure is divided into number of equal parts. The number of equal parts into which the figure is divided, 3 equal parts. The numerator indicates the number of equal parts which have to shade. So the numerator is 2, so we can shade any of the 2 parts. Any of the 2 parts that can be shaded. So this shaded portion represents the fraction 2 upon 3. In the third example, the fraction is 6 upon 10. The denominator 10 indicates the whole figure is divided into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The numerator, that is 6, indicates the number of parts which have to be shaded. So we can shade any of the 6 parts to indicate the given fraction. You can shade any of the 6 parts to indicate the given fraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Clear? Question number 2. What fraction of the given figures are shaded? To do this question, first we will calculate the total number of equal parts into which the whole is divided. The total parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 will be written as the denominator of that fraction. And to calculate the shaded parts are 2. So the shaded parts are written above the line, that is numerator. So the fraction is 2 upon 5. Clear? In the B part, first calculate the number of equal part into which the whole is divided. The whole figure is divided into 4 equal parts. So at the denominator we will write 4. And to find the numerator, calculate the shaded parts. The shaded parts are 3. So 3 is written as the numerator. So the fraction is 3 upon 4. In the figure C, calculate the total parts into which the whole figure has been divided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the whole figure is divided into 10 parts. So 10 is written as the denominator. Now calculate the shaded parts. The shaded parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is the numerator and the fraction becomes 8 upon 10. Now you can do the remaining 3 parts yourself. Question number 3. Write all the whole numbers from 1 to 10. What fraction of these are prime? First of all, we will write the whole numbers from 1 to 10. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we will calculate which of them are prime numbers. The prime numbers from 1 to 10 are 2, 3, 5 and 7. So the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. We have to write the fraction. To write the fraction, count the prime numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is written in the numerator. Count the whole numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is written at the denominator. Since it will go on the table of 2, we will reduce it as 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So the answer is 2 upon 5. The fraction of prime numbers from 1 to 10. Question number 4. Rahul had 55 chocolates. He gave 4 by 5 of the chocolates to his friends. How many chocolates are left with Rahul? Let's start. Number of chocolates Rahul have is equals to 55 chocolates. Number of chocolates given to his friend, 4 by 5 of the total chocolates. So 5 is completely divides 55 at 11. 4 multiply 11 is equals to 44. So number of chocolates given to his friend is 44. Now number of chocolates left with Rahul. The total chocolates are 59 and 44 chocolates are given to his friend. So we are left with 11 chocolates. So number of chocolates left with Rahul is 11. If in this question you have to write the fraction of chocolates left with Rahul, then the fraction will be 11 upon 55. The fraction of chocolates left with Rahul is 11 upon 55. If you have to write the fraction of chocolates given to his friend, the fraction will be 44 upon 55. 44 chocolates given to his friend, the total chocolates are 45. This can be reduced on the table of 11, so the answer will be 4 by 5. This also can be reduced in the table of 11, the answer will be 1 upon 5. This is all about fraction. Thank you.